Next up on the list of questions I get when people are typically considering a traditional ATS versus Salesforce comes down to integrations. They want to know, hey, what does it work with? Well, with the traditional ATS, they typically have a closed ecosystem. So they have their own API that only integrates with other companies that they've already set up relationships with. So you really only have the ability to integrate with what they have set up for you. If there comes along a new piece of technology or something new that you use in your system that they don't integrate with, you're kind of stuck. So you're kind of stuck in ways that probably aren't going to benefit your business. Now enter Salesforce. When we talk about integrations with Salesforce, Salesforce comes from an open ecosystem. They have an open API that you can use various different tools to be able to connect really any tool that's able to communicate with other tools to Salesforce. So as long as there's APIs on both sides, you can set up an automation or an integration so that those things will talk together. Add on to that, Salesforce also has a vast app ecosystem that they call their App Exchange that honestly, most of the tools that you're already using will likely already integrate with Salesforce with just a click. Enter in Data Cloud, that they have their own data connectors to be able to pull data from different places. There's tremendous opportunity to integrate the tools you already use and your data sources with Salesforce. So in my opinion, when I was actually looking for, hey, what can I integrate with Salesforce? My answer that I was given, and that has proven to be true, is really anything. Even if there's an API that doesn't exist, you have MuleSoft. MuleSoft is able to make these connections that wouldn't typically exist in the ecosystem, but are made possible because of MuleSoft. So Salesforce just wins hands down when it comes to integrations over traditional ATS.